Hi everyone and welcome to my demo of a taxi booking system I developed as my project. In this video, I will quickly walk through the main features of the system and show how passengers, drivers and admin can use it. This is the landing page. Here you can see the app name at the top. There are options for user to either sign up or login. It also works on both uh, computers and mobile devices. In addition to the normal sign up and login, both drivers and passengers can also use Google Sign In to quickly create an account or login. This makes the process faster and easier, uh, especially for new users. First, the passenger can sign up using the sign up form. After sign up, the module will close and the system will return to the landing page. Then the passenger can log in with their credential and start using the app. When booking a taxi, the passenger can select the pickup location and drop off location using the map. They can also select the time for the pickup. After that, the system will show all the nearby available taxis. The passenger can see the distance, the ride fare, the taxi number, and driver's name with their mobile numbers. Uh, the passenger can choose the taxi they prefer and confirm the booking. Finally, the passenger has to wait until the driver either accept or decline the ride request. First, a driver has to sign up using the sign up form. After signing up, the driver cannot directly use the system. They need to log in with their credential and complete their profile details. The driver also has to upload the required documents for verification. Once the admin verifies the documents, the driver can start accepting ride requests and begin their earning to the system. Driver can also see passenger ride details when a request comes in, and they can either accept or decline the ride. Additionally, I added payment method for drivers to pay their monthly payment. Admin have the responsibility of managing the system. When a new driver sign up, the admin check their details and documents. If everything is correct, the admin accept the driver and otherwise they can decline. Admin can also view all ride detail in the system. If if driver are active, admin can even see their real-time location on the map. The system also display statistics of all users, both passengers and drivers, so the admin can easily monitor the overall performance. So that's demo of my project. Thank you for watching my demo.